This is a DIY guide kung paano pumunta sa Cu Chi Tunnels in Vietnam. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong pwedeng gawin doon and I will also include the expenses. Hindi na kami nag-book ng Cu Chi Tunnels tour sa Klook kasi pag private group, 3,200 per person ang rate. Meron naman silang small group which can accommodate up to 12 people daw but it's still 1,200 per person. Meron naman silang big group that can accommodate 15 people or more. So yun ang pinakamura which is 905 pesos. Kaya lang, we have a toddler and we really want to control our time so nag-decide kaming DIY na lang. So, nag-book kami ng Grab car and umabot ng 427,000 Vietnamese dong papunta doon sa Cu Chi Tunnels from our hotel in District 1. So, that's around 918 pesos. We got there at 3:30 p.m. and we asked the driver if he can wait for us until 5 p.m. He agreed naman pero yung pamasahe namin pabalik is same nung papunta namin sa Cu Chi Tunnels and then add 40,000 Vietnamese dong. So, that's a total of 467,000 Vietnamese dong. Pero we decided to give him 500,000 Vietnamese dong instead. And that's around 1,075 pesos. Ang entrance fee naman is 125,000 Vietnamese dong per person. So, a total of 375,000 Vietnamese dong or 806 pesos ang nabayaran namin. That's for 3 adults kasi yung teenager namin is adult rate na rin eh. Hindi ko lang natanong kung until what age yung walang bayad sa entrance. Basta yung daughter namin na almost 3 years old at that time ay walang bayad sa entrance fee. And the good thing about the entrance fee is that it already comes with a tour guide. Meron silang mga tour guide dun sa Cu Chi Tunnels and they will assign one for your group. Hindi pwedeng kayo-kayo lang ang magtutour dun sa area. We were happy sa na-assign na tour guide sa amin kasi we had no problems with communication. Ang galing niyang mag-English and he was able to share amazing and surprising stories about the Vietnam War, kung paano binuo yung Cu Chi Tunnels, mga ganun. So, if you're happy also with the tour guide na maa-assign sa inyo, you can always give them a tip. Natapos namin ang buong tour in 1.5 hours. So, saktong-sakto lang sa paghihintay ng Grab driver namin. Bumili pa kami ng 1 can of soda and 2 bottles of water. So, nasa 50,000 Vietnamese dong naman yon or around 108 pesos. So, ito na nga yung total expenses namin. Almost similar lang naman siya sa big group and small group ng Klook tour. Kaya lang with DIY, you can always control your time. Lalo na if you have young kids, gusto nyo talaga kontrolado yung oras nyo eh. So, sa mga gustong mag-DIY papuntang Cu Chi Tunnels, I hope this guide will help you. Enjoy and don't forget to follow us for more travel tips and adventures.